Alright, we have 6 tiers: D, C, B, A, S, and Chappy. Chappy is the best because I'm a Chappy, and D is the worst, and we're going to be ranking all of the PLLs from worst to best in alphabetical order. Alright, we're going to go in alphabetical order, so we're going to start with the A perms. This one, I do the lefty algorithm. Whoops. So you recognize it like that. Okay, I cannot turn today. I will give it a good A. I don't think it's the best. I don't think it's the worst either. I think it's average, but I also think it's the upper side of average, if you know what I mean. Now for the other A perm, I don't like this one as much. I just cannot do the righty algorithm. Oh, you couldn't even see. I think I'm gonna give it a B. I think a mid to low B. Now for the E perm. This is easily a D tier. Easily. No questions asked. And I use an even worse algorithm than the average. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23 moves. That is insane. I should change algs. Easy D tier. Now for the F perm. Oh, you couldn't see. I'm gonna give it a high A. It's just a modified T perm, and I know it's pretty long, but whoops, it's pretty spammable. Now for the G perms. I don't hate them, but I certainly don't love them either. I'm gonna give this one, I think it's the GA, B tier. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. This one, I don't like it as much. It's kind of like the R2 at the start, and you've got to start from this grip. Okay. C tier. I do that one from a different angle. I do... Oh, let's set it up first. I do it from this angle. I have the bar at the front, and I do that better than that one, but it's worse than that one. Yeah, this one is probably my favorite G perm. I honestly think I like it more than the A perm. It's just, whoops. It's just, it flows really nicely. Yeah, I think B. No, I might give it A, because this J perm, instant Chappy tier. Instant Chappy tier. Instant. Nothing better than it. Let's just show you. There we go. Perfect. I think there's only one PLL that really could be better, and that's... I'm not... Okay, the H perm. Wow. I love it. Don't get me wrong, I love it. But I don't think it's worth a Chappy tier. I think it's more high S tier. Yeah, high S tier, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna stick with that, because look at this. Okay, there we go, we got a good one. Yeah, I'm gonna stick with S. Now for this JPEM, J-A. I think it's low A. I think it's definitely better than the A-perm. But I also really like this G-perm. I'm gonna move this A-perm down. Yeah. I like this. Now, what R-perm is this? I don't know which one it is. I think it's the RA. But it goes like this. See? I think I've got a lot in the A and B tiers. A lot of PLLs are just average. I'll have to start putting some in different tiers. Now, this N-perm. I think this is going to be C tier. It's really high you can get really high TPS on it, but it's just so long. That sounded kind of sus. I'm gonna put it C. It's 21 moves. I just can't see how I would put it higher. And this one, honestly, if I had another tier below D, I would put it there. It's probably the worst PLL. Maybe tied with EPAM. I don't know. Like, and that's... Sorry about that. Onto this RPAM. I think it's the RB. It is the blind parity algorithm. The old Parkman. Why am I doing it one-handed? I'm not sure what I think on this one. So I'm gonna give it just the epitome of average. Yeah. I'm not entirely sure how I think about it, so I'm just gonna play it safe and put it in C. Just for good reference, I know C is the second lowest category, but that doesn't mean it's bad. It just means I didn't want to hate on PLL so much that I had to put them in E or F tier. I didn't want to do those because this is meant to be a positive environment, if you know what I mean. So I'm going to give it C. Yeah. And TPAM, I put in my PLL time attack video that this is my favorite PLL, and that has not changed. So top of Chappie, easily. Yeah, I like this so far. This UPAM, I use the RUS. Should I do here or here? I'm not sure. Because I use the RUS, I'm gonna do A tier. And why is the other UPAM so far away? I'm gonna do it out of order and do this UPAM. I use the MU for this one. So I'm going to give it here. And the VPAM, I don't like it. I use the rotation one. I think it's definitely not as bad as these two. I think it's better than the NPAM, but I don't think it's better than the RPAM. Oh, come on. I'm gonna do there. better than those. There. I'm moving pretty fast right now. But I've only got one left, so there's no point in slowing down. Z-perm. Here. I don't think it's better than this U-perm. Definitely not. But I think it's better than the IUS U-perm. Because I'm just crazy. I know I'm like the only person in my friend group that uses it. I think I like this. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. So goodbye.
Ey, ey, hace tiempo que no me siento así. ¿Cómo voy a estar triste si estás aquí?